Today we're talking about bullet time. The Insta360 ONE X2 is one of my favourite cameras to use for making videos, for doing different effects. There's so many different things you can do with this camera. It really is amazing. I love the bullet time effect, and it's something we're going to talk about today because it's just a really unique thing to do and something that you can do to add to your videos, whether you're doing an action video, whether you're snowboarding, whether you're out just doing a vlog. It just adds something really different to your video, something really creative. The Insta360 ONE X2 is one of my favourite action cameras. It just feel, when I take this out, I just feel like really creative. It really inspires you to do different things. It's not just like a normal action camera. It really inspires creativity. Anyway, bullet time, really simple to do, and I'm making this video because it wasn't initially very obvious on how to do this in the app and on the camera, so I'm just making this video for anybody out there that wants to know how to do it and learn how to do it and get the best sort of footage out of this camera. So you can do it through the app. You go onto the app, you connect your camera to the app. The app is amazing from Insta360. There's so many different creative things on there, tutorials, step-by-step guides. Go through it and check it out and try out the different ones and the different effects you can do with this camera. So yeah, just go to connect, press the little camera in the middle, scroll across to bullet time, and you can press start, and then the camera, as long as it's connected, is running as a bullet time, records in 3K 100 frames per second, which is a little bit of a lower resolution than the normal 360 footage, but still looks pretty good. And then you just swing away. You can use the bullet time handle, or you can use the new bullet time cord, which is my particular favourite thing to use. I really like this. It's easy. It comes in very well made of metal, connects to the camera very well, and it's just a little bit easier than using the handle in my eyes. So this is it. If you want to grab any of these things, Insta360 have given my subscribers a little bit of a deal down in the bottom there. Link in the description where you get a free accessory with your purchase. So if you press the link, buy through that. Helps this channel and gives you a free accessory as well. So I'll link this and the camera down below if you want to go and grab one of these. While you're down there, please do make sure you subscribe, press the bell so you don't miss any future uploads on this channel. Lots of action camera videos and tech uploads every single week. Right then, we're out in the field and we're going to just record the bullet time with the bullet time cord. I've got the Insta360 ONE X2. It's a little bit windy out here, so I apologise. Now, it's really easy when you're out here. You can just simply attach it onto the 1/4 inch screw on the bottom, nice and easy, and then you've got your bullet time ready to go. We turn the Insta360 ONE X2 on. And then in the menu, when you've got the actual camera itself, you can do it through the app like I explained, but if you go into video mode and you'll see standard on the right hand side, you scroll downwards and you'll see bullet time option there to do a bullet time. Click on that and we're ready to go. Once you start spinning it around your head, or you can do it sideways, that's my favourite one to do. The bullet time just records and saves onto the footage, and then when you import it into the app or the desktop studio, it will be on there like a bullet time. I love this one where you just spin it around like that. So you can see what it looks like. We've got the lovely Enville estate in the background, the sun's setting, it's a little bit chilly, a little bit windy, but we're doing a bullet time for the hell of it. So that's how to do the bullet time with the Insta360 ONE X2 on the app and in camera. Like I said, it wasn't initially obvious to me how to do that in camera especially, so I hope it helped one of you out there. Stay tuned for more videos on 360 cameras and action cameras and all things tech on this channel. Please make sure you subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for tuning in. It means a lot. See you soon, guys. Bye.